What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the SoCal Wax Shop YouTube channel. My name's Brennan, and today I'm going to go over the June deal of the month with you guys. Alright guys, so our first item in the deal of the month is going to be our wheel venom. This is a great non-acidic wheel cleaner, safe on all wheel types, whether it be metal, powder coat, or even just regular painted wheels. It's not going to harm it. Second, you're going to need a brush to agitate the wheel cleaner, so you're going to use the wheel wands. It's a great deal, you get two. Next, we're throwing in a cuffless microfiber wash mitt. It actually has an internal stitch. I'll try to see if I can show you guys. So there's a stitch in here that allows you to grab onto the mitt so that it doesn't fall off your hand, which is quite cool. And then lastly, of course, a SoCal Wax Shop air freshener. Alright you guys, so here I'm just going to spray the wheel venom onto the tire. I'm going to try to hit the face and the barrel of the rim to allow the dirt to really emulsify well into the product. Alright you guys, our next step is to use our wheel wand to get off any of that stubborn brake dust. So as you can see, it's very flexible to get behind all of the spokes on the rim. So you're just going to spray quite an amount of wheel venom onto the wheel wand to allow for optimal lubrication. Alright you guys, so that's going to do it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. I did forget to say, you want to use a lot of product. It does require quite a bit of wheel venom to really get the job done. But with that, you can get all the products online, found at www.socalwaxshop.com. Until next week, we'll see you guys next time.